When a roof has reached the end of its life, replacement starts with safe, strategic removal. That's where Ply Roofing Experts comes in. We specialize in the safe removal of commercial roofing systems, TPO, PVC, built-up, and more, with minimal disruption to your operations. From hazardous membrane disposal to structural deck prep, our crews handle every step to ensure your roof is ready for a high-performance system. Backed by 20-plus years of experience, OSHA-compliant teams, and 20-30-year NDL warranty support, we take safety and quality seriously. We offer full transparency, reliable timelines, and tailored removal plans based on your building type, timeline, and budget. We service across California, Nevada, and Arizona. Start your next roofing system on solid ground. Contact Ply Roofing Experts today for professional roof removal services.